because he lives in his shell. This is a turtle. Turtle. Turtle begins with the letter T. You see this bird? This one is a stork. People think that babies come delivered to houses by storks. I don't know. Is that true? How many gazelles do you see? I see almost a gazillion gazelles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 gazelles. There are literally hundreds and hundreds of different kinds of birds in the world. And this kind of bird is called
a black vulture.
moo. What animal gives us milk? I know. A cow. Moo. This, as we all know, is a cat. And a cat goes,
Meow, meow, meow.
right. Snake begins with the letter S. Snakes like to crawl and stick their tongue out at you. Snake. Here's another bird. This is called a hawk. H-A-W-K. Hawk. This is an eagle. Eagles fly really high up in the air. This big animal is an elk. Look at the horns on its head. Elk. Do you know what these pretty animals are? They're impala. Can you say impala? I see the big, bad, white wolf. Look at the wolf. He doesn't look so bad. This is a goat. Boing, 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 boing. Kangaroos bounce all over the place. Kangaroo. Boing. What do you say we finish up by taking a look at all the animals from A to Z?
Paano po ako makahanap ng platform na pwedeng utangan?
Anong klaseng platform bang hanap mo?
Basta pwede lang ako makahanap ng pera.
Yun lang ba?
Yung sa...
A to Z. Here's our first animal. Do you know what it is? It's an antelope. An antelope begins with A. Let's spell it. A-N-T-E-L-O-P-E spells antelope. This is an albatross. A-L-B-A-T-R-O-S-S. An albatross is a bird. Do you know what this is? It's a badger. B-A-D-G-E-R. That's how we spell badger.
Brought to you by Ski Media. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel. Thank you for listening.
This cat lives in the mountains. It's a bobcat. B-R-O-B-C-A-T-E. Bobcat. Bobcats are cool.
E is a cougar.
This
Or
is
this
a
bird
very
is?
funny monkey. It's a
Cardinals
baboon.
are red.
B-A-B-O-O-N. That's how we spell baboon. Do you know what this is? It's a beaver. B-E-A-V-E-R. Beaver. Beavers love to swim in water. What color is this bird? It's a bluebird. B-L-U-E-B-I-R-D. Bluebird. That's a pretty bird. This is a shellfish that lives in the ocean. It's a crab. C-R-A-B. Crab. Do you know what this cat is? This is a cheetah. C-H-E-E-T-A-H. Cheetah. Cheetahs are really fast. This cat lives in the mountains too. This is a cougar. C-O-U-G-A-R. That is a cougar. Roar. Do you know what this is? It's a caribou. C-A-R-I-B-O-U. That's how we spell caribou. Can you tell me what color this bird is? It's red. It's a cardinal. C-A-R-D-I-N-A-L spells cardinal. Cardinals are red. This bird begins with the letter D. Dove. D-O-V-E. That's how you spell dove. Dove is a bird. Here's a really cool animal with antlers. It's an elk. E-L-K. Elk. Look at those antlers on top of its head. This is one of the most beautiful birds in the world. An eagle. E-A-G-L-E. That's how you spell eagle.